Welcome back to another video. That was my knee that just clicked. Ow. Yes, I am in a plain black t-shirt, gloves on, some shorts I cut down ages ago, and my Vans. And you're wondering, what are you doing? So I'm doing a video today because, well, my 5 Series that you've seen before is an absolute state. It's dirty, I'm going away Monday, and it needs cleaning. So I'm going to do a basic video on how I clean my car, what I use from top to bottom, wheels, tyres, bodywork, glass, everything like that. Just a basic clean and how I do it. All the products I use and what I use. Now, this is a disclaimer for anyone that's going to jump in the comments and go, I don't do this, I don't do that. I'm not an expert, I'm not sitting there and saying I am, it's just the way I do it. If people choose to do it the way I do it, then brilliant. If people choose to take a little bit out of it and add it into how they clean their car, then brilliant. Don't get at me about it. This is just how I clean my car and it's always worked for me. So hope you enjoy the video, and now I'll show you what I use to clean my car. So let's talk about the products I'm going to use today. So this one here is a pre-wash that I use. Just sprayed out on the body. Literally breaks up any little dirt, anything like that, before we even touch it with a wash mitt. There we have a iron out solution that I use on the wheels. Any tar that's maybe stuck on the paintwork, I'll use to get that off as well. There's a snow foam with auto finesse lance. Never had a problem with it, really good bit of kit. 2 buckets, both with grit guards, well, safety first. Wheel brush inside the barrels. A brush for the tyres. Then we've got, in the bucket we've already got a solution there, it's just an auto finesse shampoo that I use to clean. Glass cleaner there from Juicy Details. Maguire's tyre shine, and the little brush thing there, good bit of kit. A little bit of brushes there for outside of the body of the tyres. And then an aqua wax I use for the bodywork to protect the sort of 3 months, and I'll show you a bit more about that later. So first thing, we're going to start with this wheel. Sorry. What we're going to do first, I know, like a pre-wheel cleaner. I'm just going to spray all around. And all the little nooks and crannies. So that is a wheel cleaner. We'll leave that for a little bit. This is what I use. I just use like a multi-surface pre-cleaner. Use that around the tyre. Give it to work. Yeah. Just cleans any old maybe tyre gel that's on there. Clean all. Clean them out. Crack this out of there. Let that soak in for a little bit. Tyres, brush. Bucket here I've just got with some soap. Yeah, just round tyre. Some people might use a brush like this, some people might have something different, each to their own. Once we've cleaned the tyre, brush, wheel brush, get these from anywhere, Auto Smart, Auto Finesse, Maguire's, any places like that. Just make sure we get all the back of it nice and clean. After we've done that, I won't go through every little bit. After that, once the wheel cleaner's in, detailing brush, get these from, I got these from Auto Smart, or you can get them from eBay. Buy a set of them, it's normally cheaper. We're just gonna Clean inside the wheel. Any dirt. I would have to buy a car with multi-spokes. And we're just going to clean inside, get right in that. And once we've done all that, we'll jet wash it off. So now our wheels had surface clean with an iron out, a multi-surface cleaner for the tyres and inside of the arch. All we have to do now is just jet wash it off. That's one wheel clean, and now another 3 to do. So that's the wheel, all wheels and tyres done, and inner arches all done as well. Next I'm going to hit it with a Auto Finesse citrus pre-wash. I'm going to jet wash it first, citrus pre-wash on, let it soak in for a little bit, then we'll wash that off, and then we'll stick a snow foam on straight after that. So now we've give it a wet down. We're going to use a pre-wash over the top of it, try and break up any rubbish that might be left in it, and we'll go from there. So now we've got all the pre-cleaner on. It's just a case of washing it off now. I'm not going to let you sit here and watch me wash it off. Probably going to turn over. I'll do a little bit and then I'll time lapse the rest because I don't see any point. You're going to see me bending down. This is why I've got bad knees, isn't it? Bad knees. So now we've done wheel clean, jet wash, citrus pre-clean, and now we're going to do the favourite bit. We're going to put white stuff all over my car. So these are the brushes I talked about before. Now we've put my white stuff all over my car. Soft brush. What I'm going to do is go over headlights, grills, any lines, mirrors, any sort of anything on the car that you might not get with a sponge. This is what I'm going to use this for, just to get any dirt or anything like that. Idea with the snow foam is bring the dirt from the top to the bottom. We ain't touching and using a mitt. We ain't rubbing it. If there's any contaminants or anything left on the paint, it's not getting rubbed in. That's the idea of a snow foam. That's why you get all your pictures on Instagram, because you've got your white stuff all over your car. So that is soft brush around. I'm going to leave that snow foam on for a little bit. And yes, if you look there, see all that black stuff? Come around a back road, deer-like looking thing, like this big, straight out in front of me. Put me straight into a ditch. So now I've lost a splitter. Got one on order though. So yeah, if anyone asks, what are you into front of your car? That's why. But anyway, I'm going to leave that for a little bit. We're going to jet wash it off, and then we're going to go hand wash it. So now we're going to get it all off. We'll move to the next stage. So I'm redoing this bit of the video about 5 times because I've already messed it up about 25 times. Anyway, this bucket is soap, Auto Finesse soap, and a Maguire's wash mitt, as you can see. That's got a grit guard in it as well. Grit guard and clear water in there. On the car, wash the car, mitt in there, clean the mitt out. Any rubbish that's left on that mitt, be straight into that bucket with a grit guard in, and then straight back into clean water again. So now we've shown you about the buckets. Now I'm going to get it cleaned by hand. When you are cleaning it with the mitt, do side to side. Do you know why? Instead of doing it like that, that's how you end up with swirl marks. Side to side, that's how they put the paint on. Clean it like that, side to side. Also, when you clean it, do one side, and after you've done another bit, switch the bit over and use the other side. Another thing, now I've done the body, I have 2. So I have this one for body, and I'll just go back over the wheels with this. The sweat running off my head, Jesus. Stop. So if you're at your home and you're not going to do the next bit I'm doing, drying towel, this is just base. I've got an Auto Finesse one, but oh, I'm falling over it. But it's in a wash, so do the cardio down. Get them from Auto Smart. You can go and get them from Halfords, Auto Finesse, Maguire's, Juicy Details, any detailing place. Google it. There's so many companies out there who do stuff for you. Order the kit I've used today. You get it from anywhere, and it's at a reasonable price as well. So, drying towel, but this is what I'm going to use for mine. So for me, I put on a aqua coat, and you can see it. Auto Finesse. Again, like a sponsorship's coming on here. Anyway, so this car's still wet, so we dried off a little bit while I'm doing this video. And re-wet the car again, spray this over, wash it straight off, drying towel, clean the car. All that does adds 2 to 3 months sort of protection on the car. Ain't going to stop you from writing your car off. So anyone thinks about protection, it's not that kind, and it won't stop you from having kids. Jokes aside, literally wash the car, spray it on, wash it straight off. You'll see like a white film come off. Dry the car straight after that, and then Bob's your uncle. A note with this stuff, before I carry on, you have to be quick with it. Why I'm now talking to you on the camera when I should be putting it on, don't know. Anyway, on it quick. You don't have to spray it on your wheels, and you don't have to spray it on your windscreen and all your windows. I do because it's cool. So now all of that product's now put on. Get the jet wash, blast it straight off. Once I blast it straight off, I'm gonna get my drying towel and I'm gonna dry it off as quick as I can. I'm going to time lapse this bit for you. Just quickly show you. If you look, now it's all beading. I'll just quickly show you with the old straight off. We are nearly there. So that's the product. On, washed off. Now we've got to dry it. I have to say, what gorgeous looking BMW. Definitely picked the right one with this one. So, gone over with a towel. It's all dry. I now like to go over with a little microfiber cloth. You can pick these like a pack of, I think I got like a pack of like 30 from Auto Smart, and it was so cheap. So you probably get them from like Costco or places like that. get these. I'm going to go over the car, top to bottom again, go over the wheels, make sure they're all clean, and the last job we've got then is to do the wheels, do the wheels and tyres. One of the last jobs, windows. I hate doing windows. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not great at doing windows, but it needs to be done. Juicy details. Go and hit them up. All right, bought loads of stuff on them before. Really good stuff. Really good. Only in, I think they're in Hemel. Good company, very polite. So yeah, let's get the windows done, and the last job will then be the tyres. So that's all outside done. Windows are done. Inside the windows are done. Looks like it's absolutely gonna pee it down. Better do them tyres, and then we're done. Last job. Guys, tyre gel. Best stuff I've ever used. Used it for years. Won't use anything different because it's that good. Guys, tyre pad. Literally soak a bit in that. And we are around. Don't have to put a lot on it. And then the difference, you see, just a much better look with the tyre gel. I'm going to do the rest of them off camera because I can't be asked to time lapse that, and then we'll do an exit bit and then we're done. Just quickly go around, and there we are, one car cleaned. So just to recap, start with the wheels, iron out, multi-surface clean on tyres, clean the arch out, onto the top, jet wash it off, multi-clean all over just to break up any dirt, wash that off, snow foam, wash that off after, and then we'll hand wash it from there. It's looking clean. After that, you either dry it, if you don't want to put the protection on. I use the Aqua Coat from Auto Finesse. Spray it on while it's still wet, spray it straight off, dry it straight off, go back over with a microfiber cloth, and then there we are. Go over the windows, inside and out with the glass cleaner I got from Juicy Details. Back over the wheels with a tyre shine. Don't have to do that, but I just think it makes it look nice. And there you go. Just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it's helped you out if you were never unsure on anything. Like I said at the beginning, I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be. But if that helps you out even a little bit, it's something you see and you go, do you know what, I don't do that, I'll do that. Or it helps you completely clean your cars, then that's great for me. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see any more how-to stuff or anything you think I might be able to show you to help you out, please drop a comment. If you could like, comment and subscribe, really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekends, and I'll see you all soon.